meet up with a doodleberry.
You got the name wrong, sir. I'm not a doodleberry.
You're not
No, sir. I'm a huckleberry.
a huckleberry.
Why are you pointing that gun at me for? These mountain folk are a bit edgy about strangers, and I don't blame them. First thing you know, your still is shot full of holes, and the corn squeezing is poured down the creek. Makes the fish belligerent. They climb out in the creek and snap at the children's legs. That fella's just making sure the fish don't get all riled up.